Sir,
Yes.
yeah, in my workplace, like already supply chain model is like downloaded.
Okay, so
So
then what
I,
should you do, Siddiq? So
yeah,
in your model already supply chain model is downloaded now. In that model,
yeah,
whatever the modules they are asking to create, create number two.
yeah,
Okay, na?
okay, below to that model, which was
Yes.
already created.
Yes, you go to that model and create module number two, whatever they are asking to do. So no problem.
Yeah, yeah,
Okay, na? So
yeah,
whatever the
yeah,
big
yeah,
module is there, so that one you can't create. So other if you and you even one more thing you can do. So if you, I will suggest first of all you do while facing problem. I will suggest you. Okay,
yeah,
na?
sure.
Some
Yeah, yeah.
tips are there to how to use two members one workspace. I will suggest you. So little tricky, but we should do that one. Then only you will get clear idea. How should you use and
Uh-huh.
each and everything. Okay, na?
Okay, yeah, okay.
This is already my supply chain model. Are you able to see my screen?
Yes.
Yes,
So you can see here. This is, for example, this is our supply chain model. So whatever the model is there, each and everything is get created. For example, someone is created, so you can't create this same
yeah,
name. In that situation, what should you do? Along with this name you should create number two, so that what happens, so each and everything will get create. One is that option. So even though if you create number two, so workspace size will increase generally. Okay, na? So works, you can see here 66 percentage is full. So this is only, this workspace is 1 GB. So if it is increases above 1 GB, we can't edit anything. So that is the reason what should you do? Simply before filling this 1 GB, so what should you do means simply, so you first of all you should understand which module is the big one in the supply chain module. So you can check here, this is manage models, you can see. So if you click on modules, simply which one is a big module is there, you can see here what is the size of module, you can see here. So in this module, demand forecast is a big module we have in supply chain model. Almost you can see 66 crores you have here cells. So for that purpose what should you do? Simply after creating this module, you can delete only one module, demand forecast module. So that what happens, your space will reduce, so your model size will reduce. In that situation, if you want wherever demand forecast module reference, for example, so in that situation what should you use? Already other module you have here, already someone is get create now, that module you can use as a reference. So this is the most biggest module, you can see demand forecast module and data 03 historic module. These two modules are the biggest module. So only you should create for 5 minutes and you delete this one. You only create this module and delete this one. So there is no problem you face. So simply whenever you read, whenever you need this reference, some formulas need this reference. So in that situation what should you do? Simply already someone is get create now this demand forecast module, so that one you can give reference. Is it fine, Siddiq, how it is happening?
yeah, yeah, sure.
So that
Yeah, I got it. Like,
so the both candidates we can use at a time one workspace. If you delete this big modules, when other modules are simple
mm,
modules, that are not at all problem. Only these two modules, whoever facing the problem, this these big modules you should create, no problem, but delete whenever you need like reference. we should use another others module. That's it. We should not get confused. Each and every module while creating you should keep number 2. Here also number 2 you should keep, and in actions also you should keep each and everything number 2 you should keep, whatever you have. So number 2 you keep, so that what happens, each and everything you can, it possible, nothing is impossible here. But you need to think very clearly and carefully, you should think, and you should do this one. So it will also like a challenge. If you face this challenge in real time, you can face other challenges. So each and everything should not be, if you get each and everything very nice, so you can't do further. So that is the reason, even I don't want to give for each and every one simple one. So you should think, and you should face this challenge, so that it will helps in future. Is it fine for you?
Yeah, I got. Yeah, yeah, got it. Got it.
So you can see here, so we are exactly in this activities. Inventory order, create inventory ordering module. We are exactly, so we have created this line items. So each and everything we have formatted the line items, and we have set this summary. So each and everything we have completed, we did all these things. So next step is like we need to add formulas to these line items. You can see here, now we need to add formulas for the line items that we are just created. There are dependencies among some of the line items. Some sequence of creating the formulas matters. So we need to dependency also there. So that is the reason, whatever they are giving instruction, we should follow these instructions each and every step. So then only we can create formula each and everything. So add circulation formulas for each and every line items in inventory ordering module. Select the each expandable section of to review some additional examples and formulas hints for each line items. You can see these are the each and every line item, they are giving some hints here. We should follow these hints. So beginning inventory, forecast demand, and suggested order line items. So you can see beginning inventory, forecast demand, and suggested order amount for the month. These three line items, we first of all we should write formulas. So you can see, so this is a line item needs to display value from beginning inventory line item in data 01 beginning inventory module for the first week of the year, and the ending inventory from the previous week for all other weeks of the year. So this is the first line item we need to create formula. You can see beginning inventory mean opening stocks. Opening stocks we need to get in our model. So you can see here, I should open our module first of all. So inventory ordering module, this is my inventory ordering module. So in this one we need to add formula for this line item, beginning inventory. So you can see what they are giving instruction. So the syntax for the formula should be written, if it is not first week of the year, the use previous value of ending inventory. So if it is the first week of the year, it is fine. So otherwise we should take first week for value from previous year, so that you will get first week value. Opening stock amount you will get, opening stock how much we have you will get if you use previous year ending inventory. So otherwise use beginning inventory means, so starting opening stock we should calculate. So from beginning inventory module, this is our first step. So if you want create formula, you can see here they are asking to create some line item. You will need to create 2 boolean formatted line items in system 01 time setting by week system module. We need to add 2 boolean formatted line items here in system 01 time setting. We directly can't write formula in this section. So we need to follow these instructions. Each and every instruction we should follow, then only we can get success. Otherwise formulas will not get success. You can't put formulas here. So first of all we should open system 01 time setting module and insert line items. Before writing the formula, system01 time setting module I need to open here. Here I need to add two line items, two more line items I need to add. What is the line item name? What is my line item name here?
First week of time scale.
This is my first line item name, and you can see second line item name here. So what is my second line item name here? Yes. What is my second line item name?
No, not first week of time.
Not first week of line item. So we need to another line item here. So what is the format for this line item? What they are asking?
Boolean.
They are asking to keep this format as a boolean. So next what they are asking, we should follow these rules. So use this boolean formatted line item to select the first week of the time scale. So you can manually select the first week in financial year 2020. So what should you do? Simply we should click first week of it. For this one, this is the first week of time scale for financial year 2020. Is it fine? We should manually we should click here. So this is the first week of financial year 2020. Completed this step, and next you can see for this line item, the formula for this line item should not, 1 minute. सर नीचे दो भी एक ही चाहिए, एक ही। हाँ मिर्जा बैठा हूँ। So you can what is the formula for this line item? You can see the formula for this line item should be not first week of time scale, referencing other line item above. Simply what should you do? What should you do for this not first week of time scale? For example, I want to write formula for this line item, not first week of this one. Then in that situation, what should I write here? Formula not then you should give reference. We should not type anything here. Is it okay? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So what happens, you can see, if I write this one, not first week of time scale, so it will not tick for this first week, and it will consider for each and every month. Each and every week it will consider. So this is a not first week, this is a not first week, each and everything it is not first week. So this we have completed these two line items here. So we have created these two steps. So after that, yes, we completed this one, then we should implement the formula, our beginning inventory formula. So what we have formula for beginning inventory line item means, so you can see here we have beginning inventory formula. So what is the for beginning inventory, this is our formula. So if system 0 time setting by week, not first week of time scale, then previous ending inventory. If it is a not first week of time scale, then what we are asking, go to previous year and give that ending inventory value. Otherwise what should I want? Data 01 beginning inventory data I want, whatever the in our data 0 beginning inventory module we have stored, that one I want. So simply if I copy here, sometime it will, you will get success and sometime it will not get success, but we should not do generally we should not do copy paste. So we should 100% we should manually you should do, so that you will get clear idea. So most of time in this module you will not get success, you will not get success. What is the problem means, you should not direct copy paste. So simply manual, each and everything we should manually here. So in this total entire this module, so this is a lengthy formulas involved in this module. So that is the reason we should do manually each and everything. You can click here, and if system 0, what we have in our formula, if system 0 time setting not first week of time scale, just what should you type here? You should type here, if you should type, then you should go to system 01 time setting module. If it is a not first week of time scale, you should click simply here, then you will get system 0 time setting by week and not first week of time scale. After if condition we have written, then you should write then so after if then, so after if then, so what should we write here? If it is system 01 not a times not a first week, so what should we write? Then previous function you should write previous ending inventory. So simply you should write previous function and ending inventory. So then you should write previous function you should write. So ending inventory, for ending inventory this is a just you can copy this one, ending inventory. So if it is, okay, if it is not times first week of time scale, then we should get previous ending inventory. Otherwise which result we want? Else which result we want? Else data 01 beginning inventory you want simply. So if you don't want previous year details, so in that situation we should use else data 01 beginning inventory. So if it is not a first week of time scale, so then we want ending inventory. So otherwise data 01 beginning inventory module we want in that line, in that module which line item I want, we have only one line item here, so that to beginning inventory. You can see beginning inventory, you should simply click here, so then you should apply here. Yes, it is get success, so you can check here we got beginning inventory values. So like this you will get. So if you copy paste, nothing will happen. So manually we should type here, not manually type, we should select. So we should write function like if then else, if then else, these are the conditions, whatever you have you need to type. So after that each and everything you should select here. We should select system 01 to go to this module and select this line item, and then condition whatever you are using, write it. Otherwise simply, so whatever the module you want, so if it is not a previous year, then simply I want beginning inventory detail. So this is the way how we need to write the formula. So we have implemented formula for this one line item. So second line item you can see here, this is the first line item we have implemented formula. So you can see forecast demand. Next line item you can see here. So what is the formula for this line item? This line item should display the final forecast value from the demand 03 demand forecast module. So just we are referencing, nothing we are doing. So just we are referencing this module. So what should you do? You can simply for demand forecast module you can see second line item, just we are referencing demand 03 final forecast, whatever the values we have we are referencing, nothing is there here. So simply you can here copy paste or you can reference, nothing will happen. You don't have lot of conditions here. So you have only referencing forecast demand, I want details from that module to this module. So even though I am getting fail here, so in that situation also if it is get fail, directly you can reference, no problem. So why it get fails means if you have small space also it will get problem. So that is the reason. So generally we should we not supposed to take copy paste anything. So we should, if you select each and everything you will get so clear value. So which line item I should take here? Yes,
Final forecast.
which line final forecast line item we should select here in this module simply. So final forecast is our module. So if you take this way, what happens, you will get each and everything is clear, so you will not get any error. So that is the reason. Even though if you have in that formula even extra space and each and everything, you will get error. So that is the reason, just we should watch that one. But so we should each and every time we should watch formula, but implement manually, like you should go to that module and select that one. You will get what is the demand forecast we have. So each and everything you can get here. Week 1, if you open this module you can see what is the demand forecast we have for each and every product we can see. So account product wise, account type, each and every wise product wise we will get here final forecast how much we have. So this is the way how we need to get. So each and every time we should check what they are giving instruction and what we need to follow. So you can see here after completing this one you can see suggest order amount for the month. So this is the suggest order amount you can see here. So entire month detail you can get here. Suggest order amount for the month you will get entire 1 month. So think about formula. So you can see here we have formula for suggest order amount month formula. So month value forecast demand. So this is also you don't have that much lengthy formula, but even though we should not you can try how it is happening, will you get proper answer or will you get error, you can see here. So suggest order amount for month, you can see. So mostly you will get generally error, so you will not get if you do manually. So in this time it got success. So why? Because your month value, you can see here, this is just we are referencing from here only. So forecast demand is there, month value, this is the week value, this is the month value, that's it, nothing is different. So you can see here. So if you add this week value, you can see week 1, week 2, week 3, week 4, you got this one month 8194 products demand we have. So that is, it is showing in months, that's it. So that is the reason we are converting month value of forecast demand, that's it. Week value to month value we are converting, nothing we are doing here. So that is the reason. And even though you are using same module reference, so one month value function we are using, forecast demand we are using. So that is the reason you didn't get any error. So generally you will get error, otherwise you can manually you can type. So month value, then open bracket, and you can give reference this line item, so that you will get without facing any problem, you will get success. And we have implemented these three formulas here. So forecast demand we implemented, beginning inventory line item we implemented, forecast demand implemented, and suggest order amount for the month implemented. So these three line items we have implemented here in our beginning inventory ordering module. Next step you can see here. So shipping line items, shipping line items. So these are the step by steps we need to do here. So next step 2, they are asking shipping line item, shipping method line item, and shipping time in weeks. So these two line items we need to insert the formula here. Shipping method, for shipping method, so you can see here, is there anything, the line item formula should be reference shipping method information by product SKU on the on based on distribution center location that holds the inventory for each specific product SKU. This information is in distribution center details, and if they are asking to whatever we are implementing formula, these are belongs to specific product SKU details, that is the system modules. So they are as giving hint, your formula should be in system module, we should give reference from system modules. So you can see here shipping time. So you can see shipping time, what is our line item? Yes, shipping, is it shipping method or shipping time, first line item? Yes, shipping method. Shipping method is our first line item, then shipping time we have. For shipping method, one minute we lost in this table, we lost this one. I will show another line item. No problem. We have that is the reason I didn't send this one. So we have some issue in this one. So you can see I have another table. So you can see this is a, you can see here shipping method formula you have here. So you can see, so this is our shipping method formula. So we should implement this formula here. So in our workspace you can see, so shipping method where we have this is my shipping method line item. So we need to implement this formula here. Yes, so first what should we write here? First what should we write here? So final shipping amount, final shipping amount divided by 1000. This is our first step. Final shipping amount divided by 1000. Next into, so we are multiplying this value with transporting shipping metrics module week. We are multiplying with this module simply. So final shipping amount this is the shipping cost line item, sorry. So this is our shipping method line item formula, you can see. So we need to check system 07 distribution center module default shipping method. Then we should look up from here what is the default shipping method, and then we should go to system 08 details and supplied by line item we should select. So first of all, what should you do from here? What should you do from here? We should go to system 07 module and we should select which line item we should select. Default shipping method we should select. So then open bracket and we should use lookup function. Then what should you do here? Again we should go to system 08 module. So we should select supplied by. So which method we should use here? So each and everything we should, you can see here, system 07 distribution center details module default shipping method we should look here, and on the base of supplied by, which from which distribution center we are supplying and which method we should use. So this is the way we should select here, so that you will get what is the shipping method. Either we need to go by road, by train or by rail, each and everything you will get here. Shipping method you can see here. So this is the way how we need to shipping method, which shipping method I should select. So I should go to distribution center details default shipping method line item. What is my default shipping method line item? We should look up and we should check each and every time from here default shipping method. What is condition we are using? So condition is on the base of supplied by, for which distribution center we are supplying. We should check this supplied by and what is the default shipping method, by road, by rail or by train. Each and everything you will get here. What is the shipping method? So this is the way how we need to do. So I am sending this formula into chat box here. So this is a little tricky. We should very careful. We should do this one. So if you do anything wrong, you will get total answer. The formula will not get implement. So that is the reason we should very careful while doing this one. So please be careful while doing this activity, and daily we should complete this activity today itself. So otherwise you can't implement this formula, and even you face lot of problem while implementing this formula. These are each and every formulas are very lengthy, so that is the reason. So we should be perfect, and we should be complete daily activities on the same day. Then only you will get idea how we done each and everything, so that you can do very easily. Sending each and every formula here in chat box. So I want suggest you to please implement this formula now itself. So if you face any problem, I will suggest help here itself. Please complete this one. Yes, please complete now itself, so that if you get any doubt, I will clear here. Yes, will you do or not? Yes. So otherwise I can write this next formula, shipping time in weeks. I didn't get any response. Wait, I wait for 1 minute. I will write this formula in, so that you can write. So you can see shipping time in weeks. So this line item will display the shipping time in weeks. So for the supplier to distribution center, based on standard shipping method, how many weeks we need to distribution center to reach product distribution center to, like whatever the target location is there. So you can see final formula for this, so that we can complete this one, shipping time in weeks. So shipping time in weeks, you can see this one, we have formula. So simply you should select this module. We should reference as a transportation shipping metrics by week. We should select this module first of all, shipping time in weeks. So you can see for this line item how you get shipping time in weeks. So we have already module how much time we required. Transportation shipping metrics module you have here. So yes, so from this module we should select shipping time in weeks. Yes, we should select this one. So how many weeks we require to reach a product. Then we should check look up shipping method and shipping product. Each and every product we should check here. So you can see here shipping method you should select open bracket, and we should use lookup function. Shipping method we should check. So after lookup we should use shipping method comma, then we should select shipping method we should check lookup shipping method and lookup system 0 on the base of each and every product. We should use again lookup function. On the base of product we should check here again. Yes, how many times we need to reach product from distribution center to our target location. So you can see, so 2 weeks, so that you will get weeks each and everything. So this is the way how we need to complete. So you have even check work you have after completing this work, you can see. So in inventory ordering module, what is the shipping time in weeks for cookie crumbs en in week 1 financial year 2020. So how much you have, we should select this one product cookie crumbs en. So to reach this product, so how many weeks required? Yes, inventory ordering modules, what is the shipping time weeks for cookie crumbs in week number 1 in financial year 2020? How many weeks required for week 1? So cookie crumbs en to reach, how many weeks required? Yes, for this product cookie crumbs en to reach product, how many weeks we required? Yes, are you there everyone?
For weeks, sir.
We required 4 weeks. You can see here, we should select this product and you should write 4 weeks here. So you should check, we got 4 weeks, either we are in right track or not, you can confirm here. So if it is right track, yes, correct job. So we can't see all your work, but whatever you have done, it is a correct one. So this is the way how we need to get this one. So after completing each and every activity, even we have some um, testing activities also we have, so that we can check our either we done right way or not. So each and everything you can check here. So that is the way. So please complete this one. I have inserted 5 formulas here. So please complete this one, and now only try to implement even one formula also. It is great for you. So otherwise you will get confused. Please complete, even try to implement one or two formulas here. If you face any problem, I will suggest how should you write formula each and everything. Yes, please implement, and now itself.
Okay, sir.
So I sent each and every formula here in chat box. You can select from here. So one more thing I want to ask. Some of the candidate we applied workspace. Hamed, did you get a workspace? Yes. Hamed, are you there? Hamed? Suresh, did you get workspace? Yes, Suresh, are you there?
Yes, sir. Actually, I got learning center, but I didn't get workspace, sir.
You didn't create workspace.
No, I didn't get workspace. Actually, I got the mail about it declined.
As a decline you got.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, okay. Then you should apply another with another mail, Suresh. Not on your name. On which name you are trying? Your name itself or others' name?
It's other's name only, sir. It's not my name.
Okay. Once again try with another name, with lady's name you try.
Okay, okay, sir.
Okay, na? So try, and today itself after completing this class you just call Alamind now immediately you should follow up with him. Arjun, you also create new mail and contact now itself with Alam after completing this class. And
Okay, sir.
Faiz, we applied you also. What about you? Did you got?
Yes, sir. I will check today, sir. I will check now only, sir.
So check
Actually,
now.
last evening I
Now
checked it.
itself check and confirm me. I applied to you because already you have workspace. Even though I want to give some others, that is the reason I applied to
Okay,
you.
sir.
So
So
somehow most
actually,
of the
my
candidates
workspace is not
getting
on. My workspace is not on my name, sir. So this time I have created a workspace with my name, sir, so that I can
okay, no problem.
use it
Workspace
use it for
that
the certification.
actually learning center you want on your name. That is I know. But workspace you don't want. Already you have workspace now. So and one more
Yes,
thing,
sir.
your workspace is not in can't using anyone. What is the problem? Why are you giving proper user ID password or something? We are getting error each and every time.
No, sir. I have given the password which I got shared from Mohammed Bhai.
Muhammad bhai, but
So I
it
will
is
check it.
not getting proper here. No one can open your workspace.
Sir, we'll do one thing, sir. Once you share the mail ID and password what I have given to you, I will cross check once and I will make sure to you.
Confirm that also. Some others also they can use your workspace now. But what is the problem? I am not getting. So and one more thing, you just now you check your second workspace and confirm me just now.
Yes, sir. I'm collecting water, sir. Just give me 5 to 10 minutes. I will go back.
Okay, fine. And please implement this formula and confirm me. Each and everyone, even one or two formulas also try to implement. So that is better for you.